Hi, welcome to OPTO Engineering's Tech Insights. Industrial camera drivers and software development kits, otherwise known as SDKs, are fundamental components in the realm of machine vision, providing the necessary tools for interfacing with and controlling industrial cameras. Let's delve into the key aspects of industrial camera drivers and SDKs. Industrial camera drivers are software components that facilitate communication between imaging devices, such as cameras, and computer systems. Drivers allow their operating system to detect connected cameras and establish communication with them via various interface technologies, including GigE Vision, USB3 Vision, Camera Link, and CoaXPress. They also provide interfaces for configuring camera settings such as exposure, gain, frame rate, and triggering. They handle the transfer of image data from the camera to the host computer, ensuring reliable and efficient data streaming for real-time or batch processing. SDKs are comprehensive sets of tools, libraries, and documentation provided by camera manufacturers or third-party developers to assist software developers in integrating industrial cameras into their applications. Many SDKs provide libraries for common image processing tasks such as image capture, display, saving, and analysis. Additionally, SDKs come with comprehensive documentation, tutorials, and technical support to assist developers in understanding the SDK features, troubleshooting issues, and optimizing performance. SDKs are typically available for various programming languages, including C and C++, and other operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of development environments. Check out more tech insights on social platforms and on our website.